The next time you have a chocolate to eat, remember Imperator Roca. Andhra Pradesh Police Band's Imperator Roca. Queen's Colours is a ceremonial march composed originally for the British royalty and played on special occasions like the Queen of England's birthday since the 17th century. This corps is played in many Commonwealth countries, including Australia and Canada. The Royal Thai Armed Forces play it to pledge their loyalty on the birthday of their king. So does Malaysia. It is to this memorable tune that every officer of the Indian Police Service takes a stride at the passing out parade as he leaves the portals of his alma mater. Reincarnation is the only word to describe our entry into the force. You will never be the same again, not even to yourself. The Boy Scout attains full height as he passes out to the tune of Queen's Colours, a 3-star general to his loved ones, a tune befitting every officer who steps into a life of hard work and dedication. This song is especially for the 159 Indian Police Service officer trainees from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy present here, who are stepping into the challenging life of a police officer in 2012. To you, for you, our babies, we present Queen's Colours.